Good morning. We're at our historic Vermillion farmhouse kitchen. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of what we're doing here. We're standing in the mud room. We're putting tile down here on the floor, giving this a paint job. This is where the whole kitchen is right here. We got our temp kitchen set up. Refrigerator over here. Laundry room back here. This will all be walnut shelves up on top here. And back here, we have our butler's pantry. So there'll be a whole bank of cabinets all along here, under cabinet, over cabinet lighting, and then we're gonna have a backsplash bordered by cabinets. Here is our paint color selections. All sorts of good ones in there. And here we go into the